In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a credit card in QuickBooks Online. If you're a small business owner or managing the financial operations for a business, keeping your credit card accounts balanced and accurate is crucial. This process ensures your accounts reflect true spending and helps prevent any financial discrepancies. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the login page and use your credentials to access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, this would be the perfect time to create one, as QuickBooks Online offers a range of tools that are invaluable for managing your financial data effectively. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the upper right corner of your dashboard, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on it will bring you to a host of customizable options. Now from this menu, select the Reconcile option. Reconciliation is an essential step in ensuring your accounts are accurate, so it's important to be comfortable with this process. Next, you need to choose the specific account you wish to reconcile. In this case, we'll be selecting a credit card account. Doing so will direct you to a new page where you can input the necessary details. Here, you'll need to enter the statement ending balance. This is the total balance on your credit card statement as of the last date covered by that statement. Make sure to double check this number, as accuracy is key to a successful reconciliation. After entering the statement ending balance, you'll want to input the statement ending date. This date should correspond to the time period covered by your statement. It's critical to ensure these dates match up with the physical statements sent by your credit card company to avoid any discrepancies. Now comes the part where you'll need to match and clear transactions. Look through the list of transactions provided in QuickBooks and ensure they sync up with what's on your credit card statement. This may involve checking each transaction line by line, ensuring that both the amounts and the dates align perfectly. Continue matching transactions and clearing them from your reconciliation screen until you arrive at a difference of 0. Once you've gone through all transactions and are confident that everything matches up correctly, it's time to click on Start Reconciling. This will finalize the reconciliation process, updating your accounts to reflect accurate balances and helping you maintain a correct financial standing. With that, you've successfully reconciled your credit card in QuickBooks Online. Remember, regular and accurate reconciliation can greatly enhance your understanding of your business's financial health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for other QuickBooks tips and tricks.